Today I want to show you this amazing streaming starter packet. It comes with the Core headset and a Solocast microphone. Let's start by taking a look at the headset. First of all, I want to talk about the build quality and the comfort. It comes with decent looking plastic earpieces as well as metal hinges. The HyperX Core headset is also size adjustable with these high quality metal pieces. The earpieces are also adjustable, with enough freedom of movement to fit basically everybody. The flexibility of the frame is also more than enough. Another big advantage of this headset is the lightweight. With only 263 grams, it's barely noticeable. The earpieces are padded with soft foam. The leather is really soft, and I never had any problems with sweating or pain around the ear after wearing it for a long time. The top is also made out of the same material. So overall, the quality and comfort is pretty good. Now let's get to some special features. You get a small mute switch and volume wheel on the cable. It is quite practical, but it would have been better on the earpiece. You also get this braided cable, which has to be untangled from time to time. There also is a detachable mic for the headset, which sounds something like this. The sound quality is enough for gaming, but it's pretty unnecessary since you also get a Solocast microphone. But now let's talk about the terrible apps the streaming starter packet comes with. You get a license for the DTS Sound Unbound app, in which you can basically adjust nothing. Right here you can choose the Core headset and change between balanced and spacious. This setting really doesn't do anything, I didn't notice any difference. You can play around and try out the spatial audio settings, but you can't change anything. I honestly don't understand what they were thinking by adding the headset to this terrible app. Another really confusing thing about this app is that it says that I have the licensed version, but I still have to buy it for €9.99. You would think the own software from HyperX may be better, but you're mistaken. The headset isn't even in the app. The sound quality of the 53mm drivers is pretty decent. If you're into producing music, you won't get happy with them. If you only listen to music, it's probably more than enough. Sometimes it's missing a little bit of bass, but that's negligible. If you like to watch movies or play games, this headset is more than enough. So overall, the sound quality is good enough for the price. But now let's take a quick look at the microphone. Let's start with the build quality. The microphone has a really high quality metal mesh, however sadly the microphone doesn't come with a pop filter. The microphone is completely adjustable and can be taken out of the stand to put in any direction you want. You can also turn it horizontally so that it's to the left or to the right. You can also freely adjust the angle in which the microphone is standing. The stand comes with rubber feet so that the vibration heard is minimal. By loosening this screw you can also adjust the angle, and by tightening it you can make it permanent. Now I'll show you some special features. The connection that's being used is a USB-C cable, which is pretty practical. On the top of the microphone you get a touch sensitive mute switch, and on the body a red indicator light if the microphone is muted or not. You also get a standard size bracket to put it on a microphone boom arm. Another thing I really found to be practical is that you can simply hang the mic from the stand. Now let's talk about the sound quality. I've actually been using this mic to record this entire video, so you can hear yourself that the quality is pretty damn good. Some things that I personally found to be annoying is that it doesn't have some sort of a sound filter. Another thing that would have been nice is some sort of a pop filter. So this microphone is pretty good and I really can't complain. But now let's talk about something that I don't really like that much about a microphone. Once again, the app isn't really useful since you can only adjust the volume and mute the mic. You can do the exact same thing in the Windows settings. There even is a button to get to the Windows sound devices where you can adjust the exact same thing. The app could have been pretty good if there simply were some more features. They could have easily put in some filters, or at least a setting from which level of volume the microphone is supposed to record. But now let's get to the overall conclusion. There's truly not a lot I can complain about, except for the apps. So who should buy the streaming starter packet? As the name says, you should buy it if you want to start streaming, but it also is a pretty good offer if you're just into gaming. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, go and subscribe to my channel and like this video.